Why we are having this work is because for a long time we have complained about women being unsafe in our country. You have seen the number of women who have lost their lives in the past few months, in the whole year that has just that is coming to an end. Here's the statistics: 140 women are killed every single day, and that is an average worldwide. In Kenya, the last 3 months, we had over 100 women killed. And what are the reasons behind that? Or she was in a relationship, or alikula affair, or other issues.
We have a duty to give security. Of course, it is our obligation. It is our duty to make sure that everyone is secure. But it must be a collective responsibility, concerted effort for amongst all of us. That is the girls, our sisters themselves, the men who are doing this, and the security itself. So if we work together, all of us, we are going to eliminate this femicide. We are going to make sure that we eliminate femicide, and we are going to eliminate it seriously. We are going to eliminate it. We will use our nyumba kumi. You know, the nyumba kumi setup is that a mzee or a lady somewhere know at least the people who live in that house. All of them, they know their identity. So we are going to use that one. And also, we are going to make sure that those people who own the flats or they own houses and whatever, that they are known. We have data of who live where.
Thing of girls and women is violation of one of their rights. It has been a narrative that we are in a society where nobody, including the duty bearers, are not accountable to the rights of the people working, including in the offices. Taking advantage of people because of their vulnerability or poverty levels or their positions in office has been an order of the day, and we want to say it is important that every person, all of us, gets to address the rights of our own people.
My name is Jamila from Jama Africa, and today when we are celebrating the 16 days of activism, I want to talk about a marginalized group, religion. So we want all religions, Christian, Muslims, to come together and at least we give these women a good support, kwa sababu unaona hii maneno ya kuua wanawake iko kila mahali, not only kwa wale wanawake wengine but pia religion wise wanawake pia wanadhulumiwa. So mimi leo niko hapa nataka tu kusema we end GBV, we end femicide for all women in Kenya. Religion, Christian, Muslim women, we end GBV.
We are here to speak for all the women and girls who are losing their lives because somebody somewhere feels it is a woman and she does not deserve to live. Somebody somewhere feels that this woman is not created for any other purpose. She's supposed to be maybe an object of sexual desire or something like that. Sasa sisi kama watu wa Kisii County tumekuja hapa kama wanawake na tuko hapa na vijana na wasichana na kila mtu kukuja kuongea na nchi yetu Kenya. Kuambia kwamba tafadhali spare our women, spare our daughters, spare our girls. These lives matter.
Share information. Intelligence is key. We need to share intelligence, all of us. Hawa watu, hata there are people they talk to, you know. There are people they talk to, and they know their characters. If you expose somebody's character,
Every kind of narrative in every region, like Kisii County government, we need those in positions to be accountable. It has come to our notice that our very young kids are taken to remand prison without an age assessment, without involving the children officer. This is very, very, very bad, particularly when it comes to violation of the rights of these young children. We are having cases of incest in Kisii. Kisii is just so much in incest. And the people need to know that the people who rape and defile are those people who are very close to our children. So it is important that as parents, we take responsibility and institute in our children, they should know how to keep safe space.
To be in solidarity with the families of all those people who have lost dear ones, to tell you that surely somebody somewhere feels your pain and we are working with you through this journey. We need better laws that can be reinforced in our country. We need women who can be protected. I need to feel safe when I'm walking to my house in the evening. I don't have to fear that there's somebody who's going to come after me simply because I'm a woman.
Ending violence against women and girls. Girls have been so much on the receiving end. Even at family level, nobody wants to listen to them. And we want to say our children, our girls, are equal to all rights in the family, including access to land and having a portion of the family's estate. It has been like antagonizing to see that those who are supposed to be on the lead and show us the way are not doing it. It has been like there's a lot of conflict of interest from the police going to the profession, or rather to the professional office, going to the public prosecution office. It is a hell of issues that compromise the rights of our children, our girls, and our family members. I am calling upon all duty bearers, including those of us in position, to take charge and support our children to make sure that where your right ends, somebody else